Today we're going to be unboxing the Smart Grinder Pro from Sage. We purchased this in August 2020. We just received it. This one is the black edition, not the stainless steel one. I'm just gonna show you the box, what it came in, and you will be able to see all the accessories and the specs on the back of the box. Now we're going to open the box. Here's the manual. This is the main body of the grinder. So this is the conical burr that's gonna find you a coffee, and here now we're going to assemble it. Going to take the lid of the bean hopper. Put the bean hopper on the machine, and we need to turn to lock it. Put back the lid. Do have these grinds container. You can just easily put the lid on these. It has different measurements for different grind settings. The espresso, the percolator, and the French press. And just put it here, and the coffee is going to just fall into the container. We also have two portafilter cradles in two sizes, one of them 50 to 54 millimeter and the other one for 58 millimeter. They slide in quite easily. We also have the grinds tray, which we can remove for easy cleaning. The grinder has 60 grind settings with this rotary button you can easily adjust the size of grind you wish to have. You see, for the plunger, you'll have a coarser coffee. Plunger is basically the French press. You can have some grinds for the filter, mocha pot like Bialetti, and espresso. You get some beans, put them into the bean hopper. The lid back. We'll have this grind container and start grinding.